Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, my name is Jessica. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Down below, if you're not already, I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, food, all types of videos here on my channel. So if any of that interests you, I would love for you to join the family. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button if you guys like these types of videos. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so for today's video, I have a what's in my work bag. I love watching these videos. I got a lot of my ideas for what to put in my work bag from these videos. I just think that they're so awesome. They're really, really a great way to figure out like what you should put in your work bag, because it's so awful when like you need something and it's not in your bag and then you like forget about it. I feel like these videos are great reminders of like what, people keep in their work bag, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. This is the work bag that I take. This is actually from Five Below. I know it looks like a long chomp. It's a long chump. It is not real, but I absolutely love it. It has a little bit of wear and tear. I've used this for years. I use this as my beach bag, as like everything bag. It's kind of like my catch-all bag, honestly. But I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Inside, I have a bag organizer. Yeah, you guys can see. It is just a gray bag organizer because this is just a large tote. This isn't like a bag that has pockets inside and different separations and everything. So this is kind of like a black hole. Honestly, if I didn't have this bag organizer, I did use this without a bag organizer for like a really long time, and I just couldn't find anything. It was just really, really stressful. So getting this was a really good investment, and I just picked mine up on Amazon. I got the extra large, and it fits perfectly in my bag. I have no issues. It just makes everything more sturdy, and it just makes everything have its place so I know where everything is. And it just makes my life so much easier. If I ask somebody to go grab something out of my bag, it makes their life easier, which doesn't really happen often, but still, you know what I'm saying. So I love this so much. I really like it. If you have a tote, I highly suggest picking one up. I know that a lot of people who have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull get these because the Neverfull is just like a deep black hole like this bag is. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and let's go ahead and see what's in my bag. Of course, my phone is always in my bag. This is a staple, especially at work, like when I'm bored and I want to text or like watch a video or something on my lunch break, listen to music on my lunch and everything like that. So that is just like a given, And then going in more depth, I have my water bottle. This water bottle is from Amazon. It is a Bubba water bottle. It's just like a Hydro Flask, except a lot cheaper. This is 40 ounces, and I drink water all day sitting at my desk. It just really is great to be hydrated and to, have a drink for lunch. I really only drink water or tea or coffee. Like that's really it. I don't really drink juice or anything like that. So water, juice, tea, or kombucha is what I usually drink. So kombucha is usually in my lunch bag because I put my lunch in the fridge at work, but I always have my water on me. Like I carry this jug around my entire office with me all the time. So I love this water bottle, and it keeps my water cold, and I cannot drink warm water. I know it's like really good for you. You should drink like room temperature water, but like I just cannot. It just tastes like to me. So that is one thing I cannot do. Next up in here, I do have my Earpods. I have this little black case. I did have the avocado case on it, if you guys remember that. I think I featured it in one of my favorites, but that actually broke. So, and I usually attach this to like my keys or my work badge, so that I just have them like when I go on break and stuff. And this one came with like the little keychain. So the other one, but I lost that one. But this is great for lunch when I'm sitting like by myself in the break room or something and I want to watch a video, listen to a podcast, listen to music or whatever. I have to have my AirPods on me like all the time, honestly. I'm going in like the side pockets because this organizer has like side pockets where you can put stuff. So next up, I just have some gum. This is just the Trident gum. And then I have some candy in here. I have Mambas. If you guys have never had Mambas, they're so good. I feel like they're Spanish candy. I know like a lot of my friends like didn't know what they were, and I was like, you've never had Mambas before? But they're like chewy. Almost like Starburst. They're just like Starbursts, but they're really good. But I always have gum on me, especially like if I have onions or something at lunch, and I want to freshen up my breath. But I always have gum on me. And next I have my perfume and my lip gloss. This perfume is the, oh my gosh, Victoria's Secret Tease perfume. It is just a roller ball. I love it so much. It smells so good. I just love smelling good. Like, that is like my main thing in life, is just to smell good. Like, I love it. So this is the Menthol Lip Tint from Bath & Body Works. This is another favorite of mine. I cannot live without these. I have so many of them spread throughout my house. This one has a little bit of a pink tint to it, so it just makes your lips look super juicy and glossy, especially being it's wintertime. My lips get so dry so easily, so having this on hand really easily is just really nice because my lips get so dry. Speaking of being dry, I have some hand cream. This is just the Bodycology Coconut Hibiscus Shea Butter Hand Cream. I picked this up at Walmart. I think it was like $3.50 or something. I really love the Bath & Body Works ones. I just have not had a chance to go to Bath & Body Works recently, but this is so good. And after like using the bathroom, because I do work in the medical field, so I'm constantly washing my hands, especially with the virus going around and whatnot. So I always like to have hand cream because your hands can get so dry washing them so much, and using hand sanitizer and everything. So that's that. And then in the next pocket, I just have my little wallet. This is probably going to change in the near future because I do want to be a cash-only spender. I'm trying to do more budgeting and more stuff like that. So if you guys want more like budget videos, like more budget, I've never done a budget video, but budget videos, I really like to start them on my channel because I really started getting into it, especially with my first like big girl job or whatever. So this is just my little wallet for right now. It just has my cards and everything. It doesn't even have any cash in it or anything right now, but I will be getting a larger wallet for like my cash envelopes and everything like that. So I'm excited. So that just goes in one of the little pockets as well. And then moving on to more of like the middle section, this organizer has two sections for the side for like a water bottle and like a coffee cup, which I absolutely love. I usually have like coffee or tea in my to-go mug as well. But I have like these little pouches in here just so that everything isn't like super free fall in here, and I have a little bit of organization. So in here I just have some lens cloths in case I want to clean my sunglasses or my glasses. I have a little hairbrush. This is just a little wet brush. I love these so much. It's so good for your hair. And then I also just have some pads, and also in here I have some Aleve because staring at a computer screen all day can definitely give me a headache. So I just like to have some Aleve on hand just in case I'm feeling like a little headache coming on or I have cramps. You never want to be without like ibuprofen. Even though I do work in the medical field, it's always nice to have some on hand. And then I have another little pouch. Both of these pouches are from Ipsy. I just reused them because I have them on hand. So in here I have a lighter. I don't know why I have a lighter, just in case, I guess. And then I have my phone charger, and then I also have a portable charger just in case like I go somewhere for like a training or something like that. I have something to charge my phone that I don't have to plug into the wall, if that makes sense. So that's my two little pouches that I have. Everything else in here is kind of just like a free-for-all. I have my sunglasses. These are from Key and the Chrissy Teigen collection. I love them so much. They're like super oversized and big, and I love the tortoise shell. I feel like I had trouble saying this before as well, but I feel like I like brown sunglasses more when I have my black hair going on, and as you guys can see, I have my black hair right now, so I love these so much. Key sunglasses are stupid expensive, but like I love them so much. They're such good quality, and like this little case, like I mean hello, like they're so cute. I love them. These are the style After Hours, and like I said, they're from the Chrissy Teigen collection. I love Chrissy Teigen with my whole heart. That's my girl, so I had to support her. And then I also have my blue light glasses in here, also in a key case. These are not key, these are from Amazon. I mentioned these in my Amazon favorites. If you guys haven't checked that out, I definitely suggest that you do. But I love them so much, and I do stare at a screen pretty much all day, so those are great to have as well. I do have a pen in here just in case I need to sign something, write something on the go. And then I do have my ID badge. I don't want to show you guys where I work because it's kind of private. But I just have my ID badge, and then I also have a little clicker to get into my parking garage where I work. It's really nice. I usually have this around my neck at work, so I just always keep it in my bag. No matter what bag I have, I just always have that on hand. And then the last two things are my snacks. So at my job, like I'm there, like it's pretty much 9 to 5, 9 to 6 kind of a job. So I do get hungry throughout the day, especially like between like lunch and me leaving. So I just have a Ziploc bag here of like granola bars, fruit snacks, energy bars. That's really it in here. And then I always have the Trader Joe's soft and juicy mango on hand. This is my favorite snack. It is so good, you guys. I'm absolutely in love with it. I always, like, whenever I'm at Trader Joe's, I literally buy 2 of them just so that like I have them on hand. I don't eat them quite that fast, but I just always have them on hand, and they're my favorite snack. So that is actually all that is in my work bag, you guys. I know it was super simple, super easy, but I like to keep it simple because going to work shouldn't be stressful, you know? So that is everything that is in this bag. I love this bag so much. Like I said, I picked this up from Five Below, and I feel like it is the perfect size for on the go and to put even like if you have files and binders and stuff with you. When I was training, I did have a binder, and I found that it fit really well in there as well. But yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Besides, I love you girls. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you. The ending got cut off, but I love you guys. Bye.